Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. As we enter into the last round of league matches, CSK just need to avoid a big loss to Punjab in order to finish in the top 2 on the points table. Head to head, CSK has had wood over Punjab Kings, winning 5 out of the last 6 head to heads with a current streak of 3. They also have an imposing batting average of 39.2 against them, which is the highest against an opponent in IPL history. Hendricks should stay in the playing 11 after the bowling impact he had the last game, while either of Raina or Uthappa will play for CSK. Pitch-wise, this is going to be a pacer-friendly scenario where chasing teams have won 2 out of 3 games on an average this season. CSK has the highest win percentage here, followed by Punjab. Phase-wise, CSK dominates 5 out of 6 phases except for the bowling power play, where they concede the highest among all IPL teams at 8.5 runs per over. Punjab would look to improve, especially in the batting power play, where they score under a run rate of 7. Let's look into the matchups. Great record against Chennai bowlers and an average of 56 at Dubai comfortably places KL Rahul as the vice-captain pick today. MS Dhoni has terrific numbers against Punjab over the years, but his recent form and strike rate has been a serious worry. Would have been an easy elimination if it wasn't the 7th of the month today. Gaikwad averages 81 at Dubai and is expected to face Shami and Arshdeep with ease. Definitely captain material. Faf du Plessis has been regularly giving starts and has been accumulating quick runs, especially in power plays. Daunting numbers against Punjab Kings and their bowling leader Shami only elevates his chances to score big. Our captain for today. Raina has been phenomenal against leg break and spin in general, but has struggled big time against any kind of pace. Has only scored 9 runs in 3 innings at Dubai and is a definite no. Moeen averages bad against leg break and worse at Dubai. Jadeja and Bravo ahead of him in the all-rounders category. Mayank has been scoring bulk of runs this season but has a subpar record against CSK with an average of just 17. Jadeja has been a phenomena at death overs and will be expected to finish things for CSK again. Pattern-wise, amplify Jadeja and Rahul if CSK bats first and invest in Faf if CSK bats second. Bravo, Shardul, Shami and Arshdeep have been the most frequent wicket getters, especially in Dubai. You can drop Bishnoi and Chahar from your 11. In terms of batting form, Mayank and Gaikwad have most runs in the last 5 innings, while Raina Dhoni have the least. In head-to-head games, Raina has as much as 700 runs, while du Plessis have been sensational on a smaller sample size. You can also see the glimpses of Ashwin-Maxwell rivalry in their numbers. This time, instead of bringing you 2 lineups, we have the Cricket Panda team, which will be built in compliance with the data and patterns discussed, while the second team is an intuitive team built by the superfan on Twitter, Heisenberg. End of the match, we shall compare and see who did well in this section of stats versus fan. So basically, we have 3 different players in our squad, and it will all come down to Raidu, Shahrukh, Shami versus Pooran, Hazelwood and Bishnoi. That is all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including the website where you can dig extensive IPL stats. See you in the next one.